Hi, I want to talk about degrees of freedom. This degrees of freedom is something that is not easily understood, but I want to try to explain it as best as I can with an example. So, what are degrees of freedom? Degrees of freedom are often broadly defined as the number of observations in the data that are free to vary when estimating statistical parameters. So, what I have here is an example with 7 dogs. So suppose we wanted to walk a different dog every day. So let's look to see how many total dogs we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our sample size is n equals 7. Now, let's say on the first day I wanted to walk a dog. Now, I have 7 choices. I could choose any one of these dogs to walk. So, suppose I choose this bulldog right here. So, I walk this dog on the first day. The next day, I have 6 dogs to choose from, and I could choose any one of these 6 dogs to walk. So let's say I choose this cutie pie here. And then on the third day, I have 5 choices left from these dogs. So let's say I choose this dog and so on. Now, on the fourth day, I can choose this little one here, or not so little, and so on. And then on the fifth day, I'll choose this one. On the sixth day, I still have a choice between these 2 dogs. So suppose I chose this dog on the sixth day. But what happens on the seventh day? On the seventh day, I have no choice. I have to choose the remaining dog. So when we say degrees of freedom, we always define it as n minus 1. So in this case, we have our sample size is 7. So 7 minus 1 would be 6. So our degrees of freedom, also written as df, degrees of freedom in this case, is equal to 6.